What's going on, everyone? So, is weed legal in New York? Yes, absolutely. Both recreational and medical cannabis are fully legal, and the market is booming. But 2024 and 2025 have brought massive changes, from a war on illegal shops to new ways to buy cannabis. Let me break it all down. New York legalized recreational cannabis back in March 2021, and the first legal sale started in late December 2022. Adults 21 and older can possess up to 3 ounces of flower and 24 grams of concentrates. You can smoke anywhere tobacco smoking is allowed, but not in vehicles, schools, or workplaces. As of late 2025, New York has hit major milestones. The state just celebrated its 500th licensed dispensary opening, and total sales have surpassed $2.3 billion since the market launched. In 2025 alone, over $1 billion in cannabis has been sold. There are now nearly 2,000 adult use licenses issued, and 56% have gone to social equity applicants who were impacted by past cannabis enforcement. Home cultivation officially became legal in June 2024. Adults can now grow up to 3 mature plants and 3 seedlings at home, with a household maximum of 6 mature and 6 immature plants. Your plants must be kept secure and away from anyone under 21, and you can't sell what you grow. One of the biggest stories in New York has been the crackdown on illegal dispensaries. For years, unlicensed shops flooded the market, especially in New York City. In April 2024, Governor Hochul signed new enforcement powers into the state budget, allowing authorities to padlock illegal stores. Since then, over 1,600 illegal shops have been shut down in New York City alone, and more than $113 million worth of illegal cannabis has been seized. Legal sales jumped 100% in some areas after enforcement began. In December 2024, Governor Hochul signed a bill bringing back cannabis showcase events, basically cannabis farmers markets. Licensed retailers partnering with growers and processors can now hold temporary sales events at pop-up locations, state fairs, and farmers markets. The regulations are being finalized, with permits expected to be available soon. In March 2025, New York launched a $5 million CAURD grant program to help dispensaries owned by justice-involved individuals cover startup costs like rent, security, and renovations. Eligible businesses can receive up to $30,000 each. The state also awarded $5 million in community reinvestment grants to 50 nonprofits in communities impacted by past cannabis enforcement. There have also been some proposed restrictions that didn't pass. Governor Hochul's budget proposal included allowing police to use the smell of cannabis as probable cause for roadside searches, but lawmakers removed that provision in May 2025. A bill to cap THC at 15% in flower was also introduced, but hasn't passed. One thing to watch for: new worker training requirements kicked in on April 4, 2025. All cannabis workers must complete a responsible workforce training program within 30 days of being hired, including product safety courses and cultural competency training. So, the bottom line? Recreational cannabis is fully legal in New York. The market is rapidly